Hello everybody, my name is Seth Kwe. You can call me Masagana. I am an independent distributor with Alliance in Motion Global and I am a member of ACI Orion International Team. You are welcome to this discussion which is based on the AIM Global Ghana Marketing Plan, but I am going to speak about the 530 plan. In the Philippines, it is known as the 8K plan by those who operate it. So welcome to the discussion of the 530 plan. This is how the 530 plan works. In the first month, the first step in the process is for you to join the business. If you are already a member of AIM Global, then the time that you want to start operating this plan, you can assume that is the time you have joined the business. So first step, join the business. Second step, get 4 people to join you in the business. When the 4 people joins you in the business in the first month, this is how much you are going to make. In AIM Global Ghana, for each person that joins you, you get 70 Ghana cedis as direct referral bonus. So for the 4 people, you are going to get 4 times 70, which is 280 Ghana cedis. Then also in AIM Global, you develop 2 sales forces, one on your left, the other on your right. Anytime anybody joins your left, then another person also joins your right, they are match or pair, and you are given a matching or pairing bonus of 125 Ghana cedis. So when the 4 people join your business in the first month, you place 2 on your left and then 2 on your right. So you are going to have 2 matches or pairs, and that will be 125 times 2, which is 250 Ghana cedis in match sales bonus in the first month. So in total in the first month, you are going to earn 530 Ghana cedis. That is why the plan is called the 530 plan, because anybody who operates it in the first month will make 530 Ghana cedis. How can you help yourself to get the 4 people? Speak to 2 people every day. It means in a week you will speak to 14 people, and in the month you speak to about 56 people. If you and your uplines do effective presentation, closing and follow up on the 56, I am positive that you are going to get the 4 people to join you in the business, so that you can make the 530 cedis in the first month. Then we go on to the second month, and the third step in the process is that you will teach the 4 people to understand the 530 plan and help them to also operate it. Help them to also do talking to 2 a day, and then I believe they can get 4 people to also join them. So if the 4 get 4 people to join them, 16 new people will join under your network. 8 on your left, 8 on your right. That will be 8 pairs or 8 matches. So you are going to get 8 times 125, 1,000 Ghana cedis in match sales bonus in the second month. Don't forget, each of the 4 will now also make 530 Ghana cedis. Then we go to the third month, and the 4th step in the process is that you, together with these 4, will teach the 16 to also understand the 530 plan, talk to 2 people a day, and also operate it. If they also do that, they will also most definitely get 4 people to join them in the business. So if the 16 get 4 people to join them, 64 new people will join under your network. 32 on your left, 32 on your right. You will get 32 pairs of matches, and so 32 times 125, you are going to make 4,000 Ghana cedis in match sales bonus in the third month. Don't forget that each of the 16 will now make 530, and each of the 4 will now make 1,000 Ghana cedis. I will end at the third month because this is just for you to understand and know how it operates, so that you and your team can also operate it. But the intention is for it to continue to infinity so that you get more money and more people joining under your network. So what is the summary? In the first month you made 530, second month you made 1,000 cedis, third month you made 4,000 cedis. In total you are going to make 5,530 Ghana cedis in the first 3 months of operating the 530 plan. And in the process you will get 4 plus 16 plus 64, which is 84 people to join your business. 42 on your left, 42 on your right. So this is how the 530 plan works in Ghana. And I want to encourage you to learn it, internalize it, and teach your network so that you can operate it to increase your activity and earnings in the business. Thank you very much for your attention and happy business day. Bye bye.